What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. So as promised, this is the original red wiggler bin. I was able to harvest a few more worms out of the castings, and I did add that to this bin between the last feeding. So this was the last feeding, and this is where I placed the bait cup and the red wigglers that I harvested out of the castings. So you can see there's a little bit of this. Oh, that was a piece of the sweet potato, it looks like, maybe. I'll put that out so I can put that in the feeding area. I think what I'm going to try to do, banana top, is all this loose paper, is move it to the side, and then I can add that more into the feeding area. So the feeding area was here. It was a banana and blended food. Yep, there's what's left of the banana, not much. Okay, and also, if you guys remember, this is the bin that I'm actually going to start heading back with a little bit of the natural bedding. So what I have right here is some sifted leaf mold. So I'm just going to add that right to this feeding area as well. So I think that'll be a good first portion for it, and you can definitely see the color difference, how dark and rich versus kind of how much lighter the castings appear. Okay. So this is another potato peels feeding. And once again, it's still just a little bit frozen. Kind of stick some of that new leaf mold on there. So as the potato peels start to thaw out, this leaf mold can absorb some of that moisture. Add a little ground eggshell. And I have my coffee grounds. This was actually from Dunkin' Donuts. I want to add just a touch of water to those coffee grounds and that new bedding. The worms do like their moisture. Okay, And then I'll add a little bit of that worm shell right to the top area of that feeding. And then cover it all up. I'll cover it up. So hopefully, you know, this side stays a little moist. This area should be nice and wet and appealing for the worms. So hopefully everybody kind of funnels in. If you guys have any questions, don't forget, drop them down in the comments. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.